Here are 5 essential hair care tips to keep your hair healthy and beautiful. Regular washing. Cleanse your hair regularly using a mild shampoo that suits your hair type. Washing helps remove dirt, excess oil, and product buildup. However, avoid washing your hair too frequently as it can strip away natural oils, leading to dryness. Conditioning. Conditioning is crucial for maintaining moisture and preventing dryness. After shampooing, apply a conditioner from mid-length to the ends of your hair. Leave it on for a few minutes before rinsing thoroughly. Conditioning helps improve hair texture, reduce frizz, and add shine. Proper brushing. Use a wide-toothed comb or a brush with soft bristles to detangle your hair gently. Start from the ends and gradually work your way up to minimize breakage. Avoid brushing wet hair, as it is more prone to damage. Instead, use a wide-toothed comb or your fingers to remove tangles. Heat styling precautions. Excessive heat styling can cause damage to your hair. If you use heat tools like straighteners, curling irons, or blow dryers, make sure to use a heat protectant spray before styling. Additionally, try to limit the use of heat tools and opt for heat-free hairstyles whenever possible. Regular trimming. Regular hair trims are essential for maintaining healthy hair. Trimming helps prevent split ends and breakage, promoting healthier growth. Aim for a trim every 8 to 12 weeks, or as needed, depending on your hair's condition. Remember, in addition to these tips, it's crucial to maintain a balanced diet, stay hydrated, and protect your hair from harsh environmental factors like excessive sun exposure and chlorine from swimming pools.